Actually, no, I think that's it.
You sure?
Do you want a Rhine?
Do you want to run?
Not really, but I can.
Okay then. You can't. Can't. It's all good, you can monkey, it's fine.
Monkey.
Bro, it's fine, bro.
Monkey?
It's not fine, damn it! I don't know, that's fine.
Monkey.
An Omnic on the moon is not so special. There are more robots than humans.
Are
in
you?
space.
Alright.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
Ryan Discord? Oh, sorry, wrong. Genji Discord? You Discord?
Put the traps there. Where are they going?
Bottom left. Nope, top left.
Yeah.
Genji
no
flanking?
problem.
Genji
She's
1,
going
Genji
down,
1.
see?
Genji's, yeah, you see him.
Oh!
Repetition is the path
Tanks are down,
to
boys.
mastery.
There's a bait. There's a. Ooh, Mercy. Got her.
Yeah.
Hey, there's a diva on.
Genji Discord? Thank you. Diva Discord?
Should be able to hold this. Yeah, we should be able to
Ryan
hold
Discord?
this. Mercy.
McCree flanking, McCree got me. I'm down.
Exhilarating.
Pain is an excellent
Good hold.
teacher.
Going up to high ground again?
My ultimate is charging.
I am ready to unleash coalescence.
Whoa! Sorry for running from you, Moira. My bad.
Going left again?
Genji Discord? Ah, Genji got me again.
Alright, I got Mercy though.
The outcome is not
WW.
I'm back in the fight.
My ultimate is charging.
Well,
Objective.
Alright.
New defense point. Objective.
I'm ready to initiate self-destruct sequence. 안녕.
Yeah, just diva
Discord?
works.
Into the iris.
Zendo.
Mercy Discord? Ryan Discord?
Heal me,
Mercy
bro.
Discord?
Mercy low, Mercy low. Mercy low. Diva out. Oh! She got away.
Soldier Discord?
Mercy low, Mercy low, Mercy low, Mercy low. Mercy dead.
Soldier down, thank you.
Good job.
Ryan Discord? Diva Discord, Diva Discord?
Where is the Discord? Hey, help me. Help me.
On Diva, sorry. Up top, left.
I need healing. Deserve this. Take cover.
They're really ulting. Fucking monkey killed everyone.
Thanks, monkey.
They got a Pharaoh. I don't know why.
I've got trance.
Yeah, forward healing is really low. Brigitte, can you drop down?
Somebody get the Pharaoh.
Far Discord. Far Discord.
Kill her.
Far down. Let's pull back a bit.
What the heck, boys? Get on point, get on point. Get on point. What the fuck?
We're fine, we're fine. Keep us.
Ulted just to get on point.
Repetition is the path to mastery.
Focus monkey, focus monkey.
See if we can
Go
stagger
Ryan.
Ryan.
Hey, go, go. Go, go, go. Flank him, flank him. Alright, back up, monkey.
I'm ready to rally.
Shit.
Enemy spotted.
D.Va Discord.
Somebody get in the run.
Far Discord.
We're getting murdered. Get on it.
Alright.
Adversity is an opportunity for change.
Score 0-2. Switching sides.
This is good hold.
Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
Ah, that's unfortunate.
True self is without form.
My will made my iron.
And I will watch your back in turn. Greetings. Peace be upon. I will not juggle. I will not.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
Well, I knew somewhere in the world.
The power of destruction.
The damage doesn't look as bad from up here.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
Alright, we're gonna try to go top right first.
Sounds good.
You sure?
Okay.
Yes.
This will heal.
Ow.
They're all. Come with me. Let's go.
D.Va discorded, left.
Ow.
Let him
He was
push
flanking.
us. Let him push us.
I'm gonna regen shield. Okay, let's go.
D.Va behind, D.Va flank. What? D.Va discord. D.Va half. Junk discord, junk down.
You want to charge in or have double?
D.Va discord still. D.Va's up above point. Ryan discord.
Well, this is McCree as well.
Adversity is an opportunity for
Join
change.
with me. Coalescence is charging.
Okay, let's group.
Walk in harmony.
Okay, well that. Okay. Alright.
Yeah, he's good, bro. Alright, let's go left.
That's good.
Oh, let's wait for the McCree. Okay, got off threes.
Drop
I
out,
was
we're
just
down
trying to
both
get
our
charged. What are
DPS.
you
We're
guys
down
doing?
both DPS.
Okay, stop taking coke. There's no reason to do so.
D.Va is above to the left, I believe. And now she's down on the floor, alright.
Okay, let's go. Going left.
It's time.
Nice. Let's go.
Good job, good job. He doesn't have all.
Alright, their far is down. We've got a pick.
Go, go, go.
Nice.
Ryan discord. Ryan half.
Fucking McCree, dude.
Where is he, bro? He's just shooting me.
Nerf this.
The cycle
Good job.
begins anew.
Hello there.
As soon as you get grabbed, try to grab like
Commence attack on objective.
as soon as you can. Like if you see even a decent grab, just throw it out there. Especially since we have junk tire.
Yeah, yeah. Hanzo's
No
trying
point,
to flank
no
you.
point.
Mercy discord.
My bad on the charge.
Ryan discord. Jeez.
Back up a little bit.
Rather, if you can do a grab that'll even just get me free, it might be worth it. McCree or Mercy.
Watch for D.Va and Hanzo to flank us here.
Wait for everyone, wait for everyone.
D.Va
He's
discord.
over there.
McCree
Grab
discord.
one point right now, grab one point right now.
Mercy discord.
Can we get the tire? Nice.
Vegeta discord.
Who else on point?
Good job.
Ryan discord. Mercy discord. Tracer down.
Tracer, Tracer. Mercy, Mercy. Mercy low, dude. Mercy's low.
Ryan discord. Ryan half. Ryan low.
Alright, D.Va.
Line down.
D.Va, D.Va. Hold it, D.Va.
Tracer discord. Tracer got me.
Good
Good cap.
job.
9.
Score 2-2. Switching sides.
Good time advantage there.
Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
True self is without form.
Where does it
Bro, who do you want to go?
I'm either gonna go Reinhardt or Orisa.
Alright, then.
It is time to act.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
For optimal chance of survival, I have empowered my barriers.
You have my thanks. Peace be upon you. I will not juggle. I will not juggle.
For your safety.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective.
Looks like they're pushing around to our right.
Oops, no one saw that. Sorry about that. Nice pick. Very up in just a moment.
Mostly Discord. Ryan Discord.
Run low. Hey, just hold that choke.
Ryan down.
30 seconds remaining.
Joe.
Hog Discord.
Good job.
Oh, that Tracer is up for blood now.
There we go, then.
Tracer Discord.
Somebody point,
Right to
somebody
point.
point. There's 5 of them on point. What the heck?
I got picked. Both your heals are down.
Nice.
Adversity is an opportunity for change.
Just back up, Gonzo. You don't get picked.
Okay.
30 seconds remaining.
That's alright, that's alright.
Start the victory timer. It won't be long now.
– 15 seconds, boys.
They're
Play
gonna have to
point.
fight
You
on
gotta
point.
play point. You gotta play point.
Winston Discord. Tracer on point. Tracer Discord. Tracer Discord. Monkey Discord. Mercy Discord.
Gotta get picked, boy.
Fuck.
Mercy low, mercy low.
Mercy half.
Mercy low still.
Mercy down.
Somebody kill that fucking Reaper.
Yeah, sorry, Crusades. Thanks. Good point.
I pushed it off. Let's go.
All right.
3. Switching sides. Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
Yo. You wanna do Ryan the monkey? I can monkey pretty good.
True self
It's up to
is
you.
without fault.
Okay.
Seems like a little bit of an odd combo, but that's fine.
Let's get a Genji or a Tracer with me so I can dive somebody. I'll call out who I'm attacking and we can
Attack
focus.
commences in 30 seconds.
This is good.
Yeah, I mean, I can leave her if you want to do that. But...
We got this made out. Show them.
I'll be watching over you.
5, 4, 3.
Or I think it was the Mercy instead of the Moira, but that's fine. Zen works really well with dive.
Going left, boys.
have a bastion.
Of course they do. And double shield, of course. That's what Genji was a good pick. Alright, you ready to jump in there? Or we're already in there?
Yep.
We're still on point.
My ultimate is
good?
almost ready.
We just jumped that much. We got a Pharah. We just need a tick, right?
Yeah.
Coalescence charge.
Let's go.
Objective A captured. Commence attack on objective.
Bottom left, or bottom right, bottom right, bottom right, bottom right, bottom right, bottom right, bottom right. Come on, let's go, go. Reaper behind us.
Reaper behind me,
Kill him
behind.
first, kill him. Pick him. Ryan. Focus Ryan. Oh, I'm on D.Va. Mercy low.
And
Oh shit, I didn't even see where it was. Just back off, Moira, back off. D.Va, get out of there. You can. So that we don't waste time. I have monkey ult. Just don't die.
I'm here.
That was pretty good though, that was a good push. We just gotta focus better. Alright, where you guys wanna go? Bottom right again? Or all the way to left? Let's go left. We haven't tried that. Let's go left.
I'm gonna do it tomorrow.
Let's go. Left.
Healing stream engaged.
Ready? Gotta pick.
go. Man, Reflect never works against Reaper's ult. Swear to God.
No.
Starting over from the beginning.
What do you want, bro?
Alright, I have D.Va ult.
Healing stream engaged.
I tried to pop Valk in that last engagement, and the Reaper got me just as I was popping it, so we're down support ults.
Try to be cognizant of where the Reaper
Have a
is.
blade and
Yeah.
bomb. Let's use them wisely. Let's go.
Let me get you touched up. You should be at a peak performance level.
Reaper no Wraith. Nice.
Guitar.
I killed him.
Steve.
Where is she?
Fuck. Good job.
Should be good now.
That'll do it.
Talk about teamwork, boys.
Play of the game.
Okay, before we start the next one,
I'll
do you guys
take it.
mind giving me a second? What kind of lace is this, bro? Alright, can you guys give me 1 second, please? Before we start the next one.
Sure.
It's nice to be appreciated.
Alright.
I can go junk, bastion. I can play like anything.
Sounds good.
Double shield is good.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Go junk if you could, because
Alright,
that can
yeah.
bring down Ryan's shield.
Alright, definitely.
Yeah, because they'll probably be running at least one shield on this first point. Oh wait, we're defending first. Never mind. Either way, they're probably going to be running at least one shield. We want to bust that down.
Knowing there's someone out there that needs to be blown up.
Well, it's high noon somewhere.
Alright, do we want to defend high ground or choke?
I think like here is good.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
I will simulate our upcoming mission to identify all possible options.
Alright.
2, 1. Attackers incoming.
Left.
McCree discorded, right? Monkey discord, focus, monkey. Zen discord. Hanzo discord, Hanzo down. Monkey discord.
Ah, I can't believe he got me.
Risa discord. Risa half, Risa low, Risa down. Good hold.
Keep holding.
Good call outs on those discords.
Thank you. I've got trance.
I need a doctor.
Monkey discord, monkey en route.
Hanzo up top.
Hanzo discord. Hanzo dragon striking. Dragon strike to point. I'm gonna go down.
Adversity is an opportunity for change.
Coming.
Objective. Stop the payload.
Yo, like I was trying to hold it, but my Moira was just like chilling there.
Monkey discord. Focus monkey. Monkey one, monkey down.
Nice.
Hanzo flanking. Hanzo right. Genji discord.
That's alright.
Monkey discord. Monkey behind. Monkey down.
Special attack.
Genji discord. Monkey discord. Risa discord. Risa half.
Nice.
Phenomenal combo.
Nice.
Good combo. Don't push too forward. Let's stay behind choke.
I got everyone on point.
Nice
Hanzo
jump.
flanking.
That was nice.
That
Hanzo
was like
Discord.
a coincidence, literally. I didn't even know you.
If you can, I'm gonna get it.
Yeah, I should have said that first. Should have said that
Nah,
first.
it still worked out.
Cease your resistance.
Genji Discord behind. Genji down.
You're down.
Alright, so come back. Alright, pull back. Don't play too aggro. We're down a tank. Genji Discord. Genji down. Arisa Discord. Lucio Discord. Lucio 1, Lucio 1. Monkey Discord.
Lucio down.
Monkey out. Keep watching for flankers. Don't forget about flankers.
Yo,
Alright, ready to
let's
begin?
combo again. Let's combo again.
60 seconds.
Now.
No,
Pull back a bit, pull back a bit.
My bad,
Oh, they got a
my bad.
bash. They got a bash and then. I did not see that.
Lucio Discord. Bastion Discord. Bastion still discorded. Bastion half. I'm down.
Damn.
Alright, let's regroup,
Team up for special attack.
Nicely done, good first round.
Nice.
Good job.
Got a bit of a push, but I think we can do it.
Score 0-1. Switching sides.
Do something. Okay, we got it again.
Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
Get the junk rats. We can easily get them.
Yo, just give me a chance as Tracer, and if it doesn't work out, I'll go to jump out again.
Alright.
For sure, we got time.
Sure, man, we got time.
True self is without form.
Yeah, I got the best micros. Okay.
The true struggle is for the superiority of ideas.
When some games coming, you know?
Peace be a chance to
Hey.
focus.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
I will not juggle. I will not. I will not juggle.
All systems operational. Diva, ready for combat.
I think the summer events probably on the next patch update.
5, 4, 3.
One
I'm not sure.
It's like probably a week or two from now.
Got a bastion.
Where?
Probably behind that shield. Yep.
Someone for Discord?
Behind.
Or
Behind
sorry, Moira.
Orisa.
Ah, I got Hanzo'd.
Pain is an excellent teacher.
Alright, Bastion's peeled back to the point.
Alright, let's pull out, reset.
Shh, I'm coming from right. Shh, shh. Come here.
Let's flank left. Let's flank left.
Oh, fuck, down so low.
Bastion's back on the left, or on the right. I'm sorry, I had to choke.
D.Va Discord, punish.
Yeah, can our D.Va just dive the point, please?
D.Va D-Mac.
Yeah.
D.Va down. Hanzo Discord. Bastion Discord. Orisa Discord.
Good guys, so good.
Hanzo.
D.Va Discord. D-Mac.
Low, he's low.
Objective A captured.
Get to my line of sight so I can heal you. Alright, I've got trance. Alright, they still got a Bastion. Alright, let's push on trance in 3, 2, 1. Focus Bastion. Good bomb.
Both tanks are gone.
Moira Discord. Moira down.
Oh, Mercy was one.
D.Va Discord. Half. Both healers coming through the center house. Moira Discord. D.Va Discord. Moira Discord. Moira down. Wow. Solid play, guys. Well done.
Nice.
Nice. I hope I get play of the game.